Here's a list of performance measures for diagnostic tests. First, in the background, there's a depiction of sensitivity and specificity. It might be worth pausing to look through that. Sensitivity is the probability of an individual testing positive given the presence of disease. It's calculated as the true positives divided by the sum of the true positives and the false negatives. Specificity is the probability of an individual testing negative given the absence of disease. It's calculated as true negatives divided by the sum of true negatives and false positives. The PPV, positive predictive value, is the probability that an individual who tests positive actually has the disease. This is computed as the true positives divided by the sum of the true positives and the false positives. The negative predictive value is the probability that an individual who has a negative test actually does not have the disease, calculated as the true negatives divided by the sum of true negatives and false negatives. The positive likelihood ratio, this is the probability of an individual with the disease testing positive divided by the probability of an individual without the disease testing positive. So, easy way to compute this is sensitivity divided by 1 minus the specificity. Negative likelihood ratio, this is the last one, probability of an individual with the disease testing negative divided by the probability of an individual without the disease testing negative, computed as 1 minus sensitivity divided by specificity.